Hello, I'm Brian Dougal. I work at Bruin Manufacturing Newton facility. I'm here to talk to you today about our latest machines, the Arborg All-Arounder 470Ss. They're adjustable up to 121 tons. They're our most versatile machines that we have and our latest machines. The software on them, we can monitor pretty much any aspect of the molding process. And they also come with its own maintenance schedule. So we can schedule the maintenance to our needs or to the machine's needs so that we don't slow down any of our production. With these machines, we can run the latest scientific decoupling injection methods, which is the industry standard these days. We can lay the barrels down horizontally and run industry standard molds, or we can stand them vertically for our Bruin custom molds.
Hi, my name's Ken Miller. I'm the senior designer here at Bruin Manufacturing. I'm in charge of all our automation design. We have two of these Arborg all-electric 110-ton molding presses. They both have integrated robotics to pick and place parts out of the mold onto a conveyor belt. From the conveyor belt, we can offload the parts into a secondary operation or packaging type situation.
Hi, I'm Tanner Dielschneider. I'm the engineering team lead here at Bruin Manufacturing. I'm going to explain a little bit about our automation here at Bruin. It's been our philosophy since we were founded in 1949 to cut costs and automate our process as much as possible. Behind me here is an example of our automation cell. This is the newest piece of automation equipment that we own. It was integrated a couple years ago, and what it does, it will take these genetic trays and it'll send it down the line. We'll run a vacuum test on it to check if there's any leaks. After it's vacuum tested, we have the option to put a barcode on it. The barcode makes it easier for our customers to sort the parts at their factory. And if the part does not pass the vacuum tester, it will actually sort it out and scrap it. So this is really important because it cuts costs for our customers and also eliminates human contact. Minimal contact is important because this is a piece of laboratory equipment. The more human contact you have, the higher chance of contamination and ruining the product. Once the tray has passed the vacuum tester, it'll go into the stacking machine, and the stacking machine will stack the trays 10 trays high, and then it'll have 6 columns and 2 rows. That's the proper orientation for our box. Right here we have the orientation of one box. This is the only area and only part of the process where you have human labor. Even though it's human labor, there is actually no human physical contact with the part. We take this box and simply slide it over the parts, and then slide the box onto this tray, tape it up, and it's on the truck and out the door.
So why Newton? Well, that answer is twofold. Risk mitigation. We had a few of our larger customers express concern in the event that something happened to our Marshalltown facility. We determined that a tornado would be our biggest threat. So in 2016, we began to look for space to rent or buy somewhere other than Marshalltown. We leased half of a warehouse in Newton. We liked the location being close to 2 major customers, and it's right on I-80. At the same time, we purchased land in Newton in an industrial park as a backup. By the way, on July 19th, 2018, Marshalltown had a tornado. It missed Bruin by a block and a half. Secondly, adding a second facility would add an extra cost to us that we did not want to burden our customers with. So to help offset that cost, we needed to add another revenue stream. We decided to increase our machine size from 50 tons to 121 tons. We also wanted the ability to take on standard horizontal injection molds. Bruin machines are all vertical. We found that the Arborg All-Rounder was a perfect fit for this, as it has the capabilities of both vertical and horizontal injection.
My name is Nick Hutchins, and I'm the Continuous Improvement Coordinator at Bruin Manufacturing, and I'm going to talk to you about the workstation layout at our Newton location. Bruin belongs to a manufacturers association for plastic processors, and we won an award for innovation for our layout in 2019. And the way it's designed is that we start with the concept of moving material from our dock to our machine and then back out the dock in as straight a line as possible. So we start with the dock and we work our way towards the center where we have shipping and production co-located so that communication can be as rapid as possible. And you take the raw material to the machine in order to produce your parts. And then as your parts are getting produced, they get weighed up and taken back through the central location, put on a pallet, and then shipped out the door. In order for this style of workstation layout to work, it has to be automated and it has to be efficient. So our workstation, our entire location runs off 1.5 employees. The reason we're able to do that is because Bruin has a proprietary hot runner system that allows us to cut out the secondary operations and the labor. Another reason that we're able to do it is with a automated ERP system that allows us to check goods into inventory on the go, and it allows this facility to maintain the lowest amount of overhead as possible, making it cost effective for Bruin and really, really fast to get parts out the door.
So, in January of 2017, I came down to this dimly lit warehouse to begin laying out where to put molding machines. In a former life, I had done several plant layouts. We replaced the outdated T12 lighting with LEDs and upgraded the electrical system to handle converting a warehouse into a manufacturing facility. We brought down 4 of our machines and purchased 3 new Arbergs.